Come test drive the 2021 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, braking assist, battery saver, power brakes, driver attention alert system, adaptive cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.